App crashing when calling the Mfc70.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. Before we begin our Mfc70 walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This DLL file is the Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual Studio.NET 2002. It provides the essential framework for building Windows desktop software with modernized UI elements for the early XP era. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and install them to replace the missing file. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Mfc70 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the Mfc70.dll carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing the Mfc70 and system behavior. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Mfc70 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.